mahirap talaga siya, pero masasabi ko na, kagaya ng sinabi ni Sister, it's worth it.
Ba't ako susuko sarili ko to. I am the only one who can help myself.
It was such an amazing experience, guys, that I will really recommend to everyone who is seeking this peaceful life, the harmonious life that you're looking for. I learned the art of living. Really. It is the art of living.
Bakit namin ginawa yung Vipassana? Bakit kami nag-enroll sa Vipassana meditation course? It's because we are doing our best to confront ourselves. Most of the people kasi, they have this mga ugali, attitude, na nakikita nila sa iba without knowing na yun lang din yung mga meron sila. Parang ano siya naiinis ka sa iba, pero ang totoo niya, naiinis ka sa sarili mo.
It is actually you. And you're just projecting it sa ibang tao.